Hey friends, how are you? Today we are going to be making a pufferfish, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is make a circle, just like that. Then what we're going to do is you're going to find the middle of your circle and go down just a touch, and you're going to make a smaller circle. Inside that smaller circle, you're going to make an even smaller circle. And then down at the bottom of that smaller circle, you're going to put a little area down here. That's going to be his tongue. All right, then we're going to go do his eyes. So we have big circles. And then we have smaller circles. And then a dot right in the middle. Now we are going to make some fins on the side of his body. So curved line up, curved line down, and curved line attaching. Curved line up, curved line down, and attach. Now what he needs to make him a pufferfish is he needs to have his spikes. So all over his body, going different ways, you can start making his spines. And this is what protects him from predators in the ocean. You can put a lot or you can put a few. It's totally up to you. I think he's looking pretty cool. Maybe I'll even put a few lines over here on his fins. All right, there you go. There's your pufferfish. Thanks for watching. Bye.